5 home remedies for bacterial vaginosis. Bacterial vaginosis is a very common type of vaginal infection. Lots of good bacteria as well as some bad bacteria are normally present in the vagina. These mild infections occur when the balance between the good and bad bacteria gets disturbed. Common symptoms include excessive vaginal discharge, sometimes with a fishy odor along with itching and occasionally pain during urination. Experts are not sure that causes the bacteria to get out of the balance, but certain factors can increase your risk of infection. Number 1 is apple cider vinegar. An excellent home remedy for the bacterial vaginosis is apple cider vinegar. Due to its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar helps to increase the bacterial acidity and vaginal acidity. This makes it difficult for the bad bacteria to survive and creates a better environment for the good bacteria to thrive. Add 1 to 2 cups of the apple cider vinegar to your bath water. Sit in the bath water for about 20 minutes. Gently pat dry the vaginal area. Do this once daily until the condition improves. Number 2 is yogurt. Yogurt is one of the most common home remedies for bacterial vaginosis. Yogurt contains the beneficial bacteria known as lactobacillus that help to fight off the bad bacteria and help to maintain the healthy vaginal pH balance. And then dip a cotton pad in your yogurt and apply it on the affected area. Leave it on for half an hour and then wash the area thoroughly with fresh water. Repeat 3 times a day until your symptoms are gone. Number 3 is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil contains natural antibacterial as well as antifungal compounds that help to kill the germs that causes bacterial vaginosis. It will also combat the awful smell that is common with bacterial vaginosis. Add a few drops of the tea tree oil to a small bowl of the warm water and stir it well. Use the solution to rinse your vagina and do this once daily for the 3 to 4 weeks. Number 4 is garlic. Garlic is a natural antibiotic that can help to treat the bacterial vaginosis. Also, its antifungal properties will keep the bad bacteria in check. Fresh 3 to 4 garlic cloves, smear the mashed garlic on the affected area. Leave it off for 20 minutes and then rinse it off with a lukewarm water. Follow this remedy once daily for several months. Number 5 is fenugreek. Fenugreek is highly beneficial for treating bacterial vaginosis. It will improve the pH in the vagina and boost up the immune system to speed up the healing process. Soak 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek seeds in a glass of water overnight. In the morning, drink this water on an empty stomach. Do this daily for at least 1 month daily until you notice the improvement in your condition. Mix 1 teaspoon of the fenugreek powder in a cup of yogurt. Eat it twice daily for several days until your symptoms subside. Steep 1 teaspoon of the fenugreek seed in a cup of hot water for about 5 minutes. Strain it, add little honey and drink this 2 to 3 times daily as long as you need it.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.